Little storyteller.
A little hornbill, named Huni, lived in a big green park filled with tall leafy trees. Huni had bright, curious eyes and a shiny yellow beak. One sunny morning, while chasing a colorful butterfly with blue wings, Huni flew a little too far. Suddenly Huni found himself in a very different place. Instead of green trees, there were giant gray trees made of shiny metal that touched the fluffy white clouds. Cars that looked like colorful beetles zoomed past on smooth black paths. Huni had never seen anything like it. Huni felt a little lost and chirped sadly. A bright yellow taxi, with a friendly face painted on the side, stopped near him. A kind man with a warm smile looked out. "Hello there, little one. Are you lost?" he asked gently. His name was Raju, and he loved helping everyone. Huni chirped again, pointing his beak in a way that Raju understood meant home. Raju chuckled and said, "Hop in, little friend. Let's find your way back to the green trees." Huni carefully hopped onto the taxi seat. Raju drove carefully through the busy city, always keeping an eye on Huni. He pointed out interesting things like a fountain with sparkling water and a garden with colorful flowers. Huni watched everything with wide, amazed eyes. Soon Huni started to recognize some familiar green patches in the distance. He chirped excitedly and fluttered his wings. "That way, that's home," he seemed to say. Raju smiled. "We're almost there, little friend." Raju stopped the taxi near the tall gates of the KL Bird Park. Huni saw his family, other hornbills with bright yellow beaks, sitting on the branches of the leafy trees. He chirped happily and flew towards them. Huni landed safely beside his mother, who nuzzled him gently with her beak. He looked back at Raju and chirped a thank you. Raju waved goodbye with a smile. It felt good to help a friend in need. Back in the park, Huni told his family all about the giant metal trees and the colorful beetle cars. He learned that even though the city looked very different from his home, there were kind people like Raju everywhere, ready to help. Remember, being kind to others, even those who seem different, can always make the world a better place.
Please subscribe. Thank you.